Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech and Programming. Myself Pooja Verma. As you know, this is a tutorial series of STAAD Pro. In this channel, I will cover all the topics and software related to civil engineering. In this video, we will discuss about welcome screen of STAAD Pro. Please watch the video till end. Subscribe my channel, like, comment, share and don't forget to press the bell icon. Firstly, we will know how we start STAAD Pro. So this is the icon of STAAD Pro. To, to open, double click on it. Or go to the icon, right click and go to open. This is a welcome screen of STAAD Pro. First, you can see the spelling of STAAD Pro. It's STAAD, not STADD. Okay, remember it. So it's STAAD Pro V8i. Select series 6. V8i. V stand for version and 8i stands for interconnected initiative. It means errorless. Here is a company. Bentley Sustaining Infrastructure is a company of STAAD Pro. This is main menu. Go to file. From here we can go new project and we can open our saved project. Here is project task, recent files, license configuration, help topics. From project task, we can create a new project from new project option and we can open our save project. And some other options like configuration, backup manager, license management. So configuration, it is used for unit setting, change background. You can change the unit from here. If you want to English unit in inch and foot, you can select this. And if you want to do your project in meter, kilometer, you can select metric unit. Here is a background color. You can change your background like white background or black background. Global axis orientation. From here you can change the orientation of your project. If you want to y axis up, you can select this, and if you want to z axis up, you can select this. Okay, apply, accept. Now this is a backup manager. It is used for backup setting. Click on it. This is a number of auto save backups. You can change it 4 or 5 or 6. Your backup files will appear on recent files, and here is a frequency of auto save. This is very good feature of STAAD Pro. From this we can auto save our file. Auto save will appear after 5 minutes. You can change it 6, 7, 2. Sometimes due to workload in very big projects we forget to save the file, so from This it will save automatically. Okay. This is license management. You can see the license status here. In my PC, it is a trial pack which will expire in 14 days. You can check from here. Okay, next is recent files. You can open your recent file from here. This is a license configuration help topics. Now come to the new project. I will show you how we start a new project. So for new project, go to new project. Here is some options. Space, plane, flow, truss. Space, in this we can work on x, y, z axis, and if we want to work only on x and y axis, select plane, and if we want to work only on x and z axis, select floor, and if we want to create a truss, select truss. Generally we used space. Here is a file name. We can change a file name from here like ABCD, and here is a location. You can change the location of the file of StatPro, and here is a length units. As I set in configuration metric unit, so length unit is in meter, and this is a force unit. Our force unit is in kilonewton. Next, here is some other options like add beam, add plate, add solid, open structure wizard, open stat editor, edit job information. If we want to add plates or add solids in our project, we can select this. And if we want to open our structure from open structure wizard, we can select this is open stat editor, edit job information. I will explain it later. And this is our new project, so we will select add beam, finish. This is a GUI of StatPro. From the next video I will explain these icons one by one. So keep watching, stay safe, thank you.